Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video. Today video title is guys display and brightness setting oppo mobile. In this video guys we will talk about guys how can we turn off our auto brightness. So friends, you want to off your auto brightness mode in your oppo phone. So guys, how can you off in this video guys? I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so friends, first of all guys subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. First of all open your phone setting friends to off your auto brightness. So you can see get this type of setting, your display and brightness setting friends, tap here. So friends, you can see guys your auto brightness mode. So friends, you want to turn off, so is right side icon guys, you can see this icon, so you can turn off from here guys. And guys, you can use guys your brightness setting, you can adjust yourself guys. Your brightness will not decrease automatic, not increase automatic guys. If you set, then it will set only. So like that guys, you can turn off your auto brightness mode in your oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.